Tell me. That's a fucking lie.
You feel like you're in love, me been there before. Me got the last year on the tour. Me head plug out, me gun the load. Me tuck them out, you were dead for true. Me rich for real, if your hearts are true. A big pussy them like prostitute. Car pull up, killers jumping out. Be a shot of fire, watch head bouncing out.
You gotta, yeah, not like this, and don't go like this. You gotta go like this. Yeah.
You feel a little bit of pussy, me see come round. Be a gun bag and gun clown. Me not trust boy, me tell them me the dung.
Sell me a green and a bad boy. Sell me a green and a bad boy. How it deal look? Yo, dog. Yeah. Sell me a green and a bad boy. Sell me a green and a bad.
The best to ever do it.
I'm sure them doing strategy. Bam. I sure them doing this, dog. Bam. Last one, this.
Just like the owl comes out at night, my coochie comes out late at night. Just like the owl.
Do you see blood in my eyes? Love comes with a price. Set your demons.
Everything shot, everything.
But bitch, I not on you. Snap all the COVID on you like you. Anything I get, I want you to. Right, man, could go in a glue. But bitch, I not.
I can't go out. I'm sick.
Boo, you whore.
Ducky rise. Nigga. Mood swing. Bunny on the enemy, we shoot him. We can't trust boy zombie and him. Men a like new face and a true thing. You will disappear now with toe shot. Can't do me like Biggie and Tupac.
Okay, superstar. No unseen phone and no link me. Cause I'm trying to talk to you and you're not trying to talk to me. I don't understand.
Sell me a green and a bad boy. Sell me a green and a bad boy. How it deal look? Yo, dog. Yeah. Sell me a green and a bad boy. Sell me a green and a bad boy. Yeah. Sell me a green.
Hey, get it look foot, no good, no fuck. Fuck it up. But you pussy so off. Shit. Bag a man a rush.
Tell her no a veteran this. She love it cocky when she call her Nancy. My perfume is stuck on you. Love and fucking you. My perfume is stuck on you. Girl, I'm
What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? We're outside in Melissa, going outside, traveling with Melissa. Yeah, brought my Aki tree, everything. But what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. We're gonna teach you how to survive a hurricane, and this is Hurricane Melissa 2025. What's good?
My friend, stay quiet and we doing it again. I said, let's be besties, cause you sexy. You got a fatty, but let me not be mad. Friends switch, but I just like. Mommy did that want me, she was right. Say me I got rich from the first sight. I'm never just a bitch, car money, I'm in love life. Wait forever.
Okay, where are you from?
Where you from that don't even necessary on a Friday.
Every day them get up and talk about up in a them hometown. Where the hometown they know, pussy? Lord God. Yeah, man, where they are same way.
Pussy wall. What you do to me? You say I Kevin them bun. The fuck they are? You know understand something, bruh? Suck your man.
I will be getting married in next month and my wedding will be on Zoom so everyone can have their own food from their own home. My wife to be name is Wink. Her name is Wink. She's from America, Florida. You can follow her on TikTok. Go on TikTok and follow Wink and you will see what my wife to be look like. Wink, very cute. She's from Florida, very cute. I'm gonna marry her on Zoom. I'm gonna send you all the Zoom link. No matter what they think, my try to do.
It's okay. I'm tough. I know. You just look so hurt.
I am. I let so much slide.